Hey Annie, it's Mike. Just want to run you through how to do those percentages on Schooloop. So just log in, and then once you're logged in, once you get to your login, you're going to want to go to Settings. So that's up here in the right-hand corner. Okay, and then there's a bunch of things that you can choose. So what you want to do is you want to go to gradebook settings, and that's how we're going to get into, there's actually a bunch of different things that we can do, but let's just go ahead and start with this. So you go to the gradebook settings, and then you have all these different, options. The one that I like to use is called custom codes. Okay, so it says set custom values for codes you want to use in the gradebook. For instance, I is incomplete, 50% of total points possible. This is what I'll do in terms of like, I'll create a new code. And then what I'll do is I'll go, the code is A. Okay. And then the percentage of the A is 90. Well, how about for an A, we'll do 95%. Okay. So an A is worth 95%. I guess you have to put in a definition. And usually what I'll do is I'll just match it with what was above. So A, the definition is A, and that's 95%. And then when I submit it, that means all I have to do is put in A, and it's automatically worth 95%. So you can do that with any code. You can put I, you can put NA, you could go A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus, all through your whole grading system. So that's one way to assign very specific percentages to whatever you want. Then if I go back to here, I could do these percentages right here. You can change the grading scale, like you can edit it, and then you can go down and you can change all of what these percentages are worth. This is like the backwards, the other way. So this way you put in the percentage of 97 and it's worth an A plus or whatever, but you can change all these percentages if you want. All you would do is just click on the create new grade scale, and then you'll be able to change that. So you can do custom codes. That's where you can put in any code and put a percentage on it. You can do grade scales and just change the already existing ones. Then you could also do percent weighting, which means that, like tests are worth this much percentage of the grade. So that way you can just assign everything the same. Let's say you did like everything in your class was worth 0 to 4 points, a 5-point scale. This way you can give everything the same. You can give a test a 5 max, and you can also give homework a 5 max. But if you put these weights in, then it'll distribute them however you put it. So if homework was only worth 10% and tests were worth like 50%, it would automatically sort that out for you. And then let's see if there's anything else. And then of course there's the scale grading. To me, that's a little bit too complicated. So those are 3 ways to use those percentages, and that's how you do it.